the setup here from a little tiny painting booth. This painting booth is about 24 inches by 15 inches deep, and I would say about 18 inches tall. So pretty roomy. It does have a fan, so I'll kick on the fan here in just a bit. I'm going to turn on the noise reduction. I don't know. Supposedly there is a noise reduction on my mic, but I can't seem to find it right now. I am painting Hal Jordan. This is my first spray paint. Comes with a little Lazy Susan spinning table, so pretty nice. I 3D printed this Hal Jordan bust. So I'm gonna be finished painting this one, and I'll show you guys as I move along. I'm definitely not a pro painter by any means, as you will see, but I want to just take you through my journey of how I'm painting my figurines. I'm not selling them or anything. It's not for commission. It's just something I enjoy doing and something that I'll be putting on my wall. Here is one that I hand painted. This is the Flash. So I hand painted this one. This was before I got the booth, the paint booth, and I gotta say I feel like I did it quite nice. Made his uniform look like it's leather, and I made his face to a color that I really liked. So there's that one. The Flash was actually my second one that I painted, and then this is my first one. This is Batman. As you can see, Batman is not as good as the Flash. The blending of the color is not there, but it's good enough for me. I wasn't going to start over, and I'm not the biggest Batman fan. So I think Hal Jordan is looking pretty good. Little green spot there I'll touch up, but I'll probably mix in a little dark tone there on the bottom of his muscle, on the back of his muscle right there. To give it a little definition, it's not just flat green. But I do like this green, so I think one coat is good. So I'll keep it at that. Alright, so I removed the masking tape on his body, and this is what I wanted his back design to look like. Yeah, don't judge. It's what I wanted. So I'm going to go ahead and paint the rest of his body black. But first of all, I'm going to go ahead and do his the outside of his logo white. So I'll go ahead and do that first. But I'm going to paint that. I'm not going to use a airbrush for that one. I'm using a 3.0 brush from Golden Maple. It's not a very expensive brush, but I do like the way it feels. I have this little triangular handle here that you can just hold, and they come in very small sizes, so I can do the details here without over painting. Alright, we're back and time to do another layer of the white. And then we'll see how it goes before we move on to the black of the body. And coat looks good. So I think I'm going to start on my black for the rest of his body. And for this one, I will be taping off the green so that way I don't have to worry about overspray. Let's do the black right now. The black. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get the mask painted. We'll go ahead and paint that in green, and then I'll highlight the accents in black as well. Up here. Alright, let's go ahead and get the face painted. And then I'll do the hairline later because he has dark hair. So the face color should blend right in. Hopefully our mask is pretty good on his eyes. Right there. To go over this with a little brush here. Alright, so we'll leave that to dry. Sorry for the fan noise. Don't want to inhale any paint toxins. So we'll leave that to dry for a few minutes. I'll do another coat. Got some skin tone that I created here. That dropped on the plate. I'm not sure why I dropped. Maybe I tilted the brush or something. I was having an issue. Oh yeah, I definitely tilted the brush. I was having an issue getting this paint to come out. I don't know why, but it was the right consistency. But I mixed white with yellow, red, and slate blue to get the skin tone. I wanted him to be a little more tan, a little more pink on the skin tone, just because that's how he looks. So we'll come back later with a little sponge to break up the paint a little bit. But one more coat on the forehead because the forehead is not sticking. Alright guys, I am done with Green Lantern. I went ahead and did his hair and just accented his face, his jawline, as well as put some light green highlights around his chest area to make it stand out a little more. Hey guys, so I am done with Green Lantern. I went ahead and used Color Max on there to make the colors pop, and then I also used a triple gloss from Duplicolor Triple Max clear coat over it. Do like my figurines a little glossy, as you can see. Tell me what you guys think. This is my first attempt at airbrushing and third attempt at actually painting a figure, as opposed to just printing it out in color. Because with the color prints, you won't get the gradients that you can control, as well as the fine lines. They just take forever. So this is still my go-to. I like it a lot, but let me know what you guys think, and leave in the comments if you have any suggestions for improvements on anything that you see as well. Talk to you soon.